In this video, we're going to talk about gradation. What gradation is, it's taking a shade or a color and gradually changing it into another color or a lighter shade. So it's something that you're going to be asked to do in the project you are doing right now. So I'm going to show you just some basics on how to gradate. The first thing that you need to know when you gradate, keep your pencil strokes going in the same direction. Or your paint, or your crayons, whatever you use, you want to keep it in the same direction. Second thing, you want to keep your pencil strokes close together, because if you get too much of the white of the paper in there, it starts to change the color. The third thing is make sure that you keep control. You want to keep control of your pencil strokes the entire time you're doing it. So I'm going to show you an example of gradation. Say I've got a piece right here, and I want to gradate it from dark here to light here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press very, very hard over here, and then I'm going to slowly, as I'm doing this, I'm very gradually lightening up my pencil. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to press hard now. I'm going to go over the next one. And I'm going to gradually start to lift it up. Now I could go the opposite way, where I'm starting to gradually get darker and darker and darker and darker. And now obviously I got a little bit of a line right in here. So that is how to gradate things. Now, doing it in black and white like this, we also refer to this as shading. I'm changing the shade from one to the next. It goes from dark here to light here. Alright, so in here would be your middle gray. However, gradation can also be done in using pencils, colored pencils. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to gradate, but first I'm going to gradate from dark red to light red. So you can see I'm just going from dark red, and then I gradually start letting my pencil go. Now you could also do this over a dark color that you've already done. For instance, I can just do a flat color now, and it's going to appear like I'm shading this, but I'm not. You can kind of see the shade underneath of it. Now the other gradation you could do is you can take one color and then gradate it into another color. So for instance, I started with dark red here and then went light. Now over here I'm going to press hard. So you can mix colors gradating, and you could also have other colors gradate just by themselves. So there you go. That's your very short tutorial on gradation. So whatever project you're in, go ahead and advance to the next video.